Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am writing JUnit test cases for the UserController class. In the UserController, I am having so-called methods show registration page, register method, login user, and these are the three methods I have. So for these three methods, I am writing these test cases, which is show registration page test case, and also test the register user, and also testing the login user for the success case, and also for the failure scenario, and also for the wrong password scenario. So let me start writing the JUnits. Here right click, new package, put that in the controller, right click, new Java class, UserController test. So on top of it, do the extend with inside that Mockito extension dot class, so that we can use all the Mockito related things inside this class. So the first step is, let me inject the dependencies here, which is nothing but the private UserController, the first one, controller. This should be like a inject mocks, and the next one is private inject the repository layer, user repository, at the rate of mock, and also for the usage purpose, private user test user I am saying. Okay, so now do the setup, so that add some dummy data in the setup method, so that we can use those things in the corresponding test cases. Void test user equal to new user. Okay, the next thing is set the values, set email, test at the rate of some example.com, test user dot set password, some password 123. That's it. So on top of this, annotate with before each. Okay, so that we can use all the test cases we can use this data for all the test case, for each one of the test case. So for the first one, void test show registration page. By using the controller, call that method. So here we need to pass the model, that means which is nothing but we should pass the object to the UI, so that it will present, or it will give that corresponding UI. In the UI, it will present that corresponding page, which is a registration page. For that, what I will do is, I will just inject private model, okay, just mock this, and here model dot something like we should create an object for this. Let me create an object, binding model, this one. Come down now, pass the model here, do the Ctrl Alt V, this will be the view. Okay, so the next thing is do the asset equals. In the asset equals, pass the register user, which is a view, and now asset 2. This will take the attribute dot contains attribute. The attribute is user. Okay, annotate this with @ test. So what I did is I have compared this asset equals. Come here. We see here this is returning the registered user, which is nothing but a register user page. So that's what I did here, which is nothing but a view. I have compared the expected value with the actual value, and also in the next thing I was doing the asset true, which is nothing but I am checking whether that corresponding attribute, which is a user, is there or not. So right click, run. First step, test has been passed. So the next thing is, if you go here, test register user. For that, let me write void test register user. Then repository dot save, pass the user. I'm just doing, or I'm just returning then return the user. Okay, and the next thing is controller dot register, pass the user. This will return the view. This returns the view, and do the asset equals, and the expected value will be login, and the actual will be the view. Okay, just do the verify after that. mockito.verify, pass the repository, save the user. That's what we are doing. Annotate here with @test. Right click, run. This test case has been passed. The next thing is, let me write a test case for login user for the success scenario. Void test login user success. When repository dot find by email, pass the user dot get email. Okay, what I am doing is I'm just simply returning the user. That's it. After that, by using the controller, I'm just calling the login user and passing the user dot get email, and also user dot get password, and also passing the login page, which is nothing but a model. Okay, do the Control Alt V. This will be the view. Then just simply do the asset equals and pass the actual value with the expected value. Expected value will be actual value. Redirect column slash. If I go here, this one, comma, view. That's it. And this with the rate of test. Let me run this. Test case has been passed. So next, void, write the test case for the login user failure scenario. Void test login user. Okay. Then repository dot find what we will do is find by email. Okay, pass the some test fail @gmail.com. Okay, then return the simply some null. Okay, next, controller dot login user some comma some wrong pass and also pass the model. That's it. Pass the model. Do the asset equals and pass the login slash view. That's it. View. Okay, and do the asset to model contains attribute, which is nothing but some, let me pass the attribute name as error. Okay, test. Well, this test case has have been passed. Now let me write a test case for the wrong password scenario. Void test login user something like wrong password. Then repository dot find by email, which is nothing but some test user get email. Then return the test user. Okay, and controller dot login user some test user dot get email and also some wrong pass comma model. model asset2. Before that, what I will do is do some view model dot contains attribute error, and also cross check this. Do the assert equals, which is nothing but a login page comma view. That's it. Annotate this with @test. Run. This test case also has been passed. Now let me run all the test cases with a coverage and check. See here, code coverage. Let me check this code coverage. Control A, Control C, save this, go here, something like open this. Go to the controller. We are doing it for the reservation user controller, right? So see here, for these three for these three methods, I have written the JUnits. So all these three cases have been covered with a green color. So that means this has been covered 100%. See here, 100%. The line coverage is also 100%. This way I have written the test cases for user controller. In the next video, let me write the test cases for the remaining classes as well and see what will happen. That's it in this video. Thank you.